Welcome to Medra's Kitchen. Today's special is tomato chutney. Here are the ingredients: chopped tomatoes, mustard seeds, fenugreek powder, salt, chili powder, chopped garlic, turmeric and sesame oil. First heat the pan in medium flame. Once the pan's hot, add sesame oil. After the oil becomes hot, you can add mustard seeds. After, add curry leaves. And once it has fried well, you can add chopped garlic. Fry this very well, so everything will get mixed together. After, add turmeric powder, and you can mix this in. After, add chopped tomato, and you will need to stir this in very well, so everything will get mixed together here. Leave this for a few minutes, and you can add salt. Stir this in too. After, add chili powder, which will give a spice and make the mixture colourful and bright. Mix this in very well. Leave this 5 to 10 minutes. After, you will see the oil has separated with the mixture. Stir this in. Once stirred, you can leave it a few minutes. Last but not least, add the fenugreek powder. Mix this in to the mixture, and voila! This tomato chutney is ready. You can keep this as a delicious side. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon.